Hey guys, okay, so this video is super unplanned, but I got this new product in. This is the Magic Remover from V Beauty, and this is the Magic Remover that removes gel polish. So I wanted to try it out on video before doing it on myself. So I just did this gel manicure not too long ago, but the reason why I did it is because I was purchasing this for my clients just for an easier removal rather than using my drill. So I wanted to test it out. So I did get this on Amazon for about $15, but it does come in a pack of 2. So when you open it, you have 2 of them, and the bottles are kind of small. I know some of the other ones that I've seen online have bigger bottles than this, but it's fine. We're gonna try it out. So I'm actually going to follow the instructions rather than just going into it blindly. So it says how to use. Smear lightly. The nail surface will automatically burst in 3 to 5 minutes. Quickly remove nail polish. Reduce grinding. No hurt nails. So we're gonna do that. And then there's also a little note under here. It says UV nail extension nail is recommended to first remove the seal layer. The time for unloading the nail also takes longer. What does that mean? The nail tips need to be removed by nail polish remover. So if you have, what it's saying is if you have nail extensions or anything like that, you still have to soak that off with nail polish remover. Anything that was used with the UV lamp, this remover will work with. If that makes sense. Yeah. So obviously it removes gel. So we're gonna try that out. I'm going to remove the top layer of my nail. I do have a matte coat on, so I'm not sure if that needs to be filed off as well, but we're just gonna do it anyway because the instructions said to do so. Hi Lily. So I'm just going to rough it up. One thing I need to buy more of is buffing blocks. That's on my to-buy list. This is not working. It's an old file. Try it again. So this is going to be a complete first impression, and I'm going to do everything in real time. Because normally I fast forward through everything, but we'll see how long it really takes. So I do have a gel overlay under this polish, so hopefully it takes that down too, but we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start this. Let me see the smell first. The thing, it doesn't smell bad at all, which surprises me. The thing that scares me the most is that this could potentially be like just paint stripper or something like really harsh like that. I did watch a couple videos of reviews from different companies, but I haven't seen this one. But I assume that it's all like the same type of thing, but just different branding. So it says lightly smear. Whatever that means. So we're just gonna put it on. This product is fairly thick. Whoa, that's a weird consistency. Do you see that? Like, how do you even get it out? Okay. So, I feel like there's nothing in here. I'm confused. So we're gonna lightly smear it on the nail. And obviously try to avoid the skin just because I don't know what's in this. This product is super thick that it's actually hard to get out of the bottle. Even when I swirl it around like that, it's really hard to get out of the bottle. I'm like, I don't know what to do because very little is coming out. If you hear that licking sound in the back, it's my dog. I'm sorry. She's tripping out. I had to start giving her CBD because she clearly has anxiety. Ooh, it's already lifting over here. When I press down like this, I can kind of feel like it, my nail feels a little tight. It's nothing obviously uncomfortable, but I just noticed it. Anyways, what was I saying? I just gave my dog some CBD because she has some crazy anxiety issues, and it's been godsend. Like, she's been the best dog since I've given it to her. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, so I can feel it tightening up on my nails. I don't know what that means. Like I said, I do have a gel overlay, so I'm hoping that my nail is actually protected a little bit. There it goes. So we're gonna wait for 5 minutes. It says 3 to 5, but I'll give them the benefit and I'll do 5. So let's wait 5 minutes. Yeah, I can feel it tightening up. It's a little weird, but. Okay, so to scrape it, I'm actually using this tool right here, which is a scraper. So let's see if it's ready. It's not. Oh, well. I don't think I put too much on this anyway, so. Or maybe it wasn't long enough. Was that even 5 minutes? I don't know. I'm just gonna put some more. So I think with these ones, they're lifting up a lot more, as you guys can see, because I did a top coat, and then I put the transfer glue, and then I put the foil, and then a matte coat. So there's obviously layers that have to be pulled first. So I'm going to take off this first layer. So kind of, some of it made it down. I'm thinking, should I refile that? Yeah, so I'm gonna refile this and then add it again, just because I do have a top coat on here that I need to break the seal on. What a lot of people don't know about top coat, especially if you're gonna soak anything off or do anything like this, you need to remove the top coat, because if you don't remove the top coat, nothing's gonna be able to penetrate the gel, because the top coat is a sealant. So we're gonna rough that up. Add some more of this. I'm really surprised it doesn't smell like anything. And obviously I would love to put a thicker layer of this on, but there's no way with how thick this formula is. Just chilling, Lola. try that again. So my thumb here, I was able to put a good amount of it on. So it is bubbling. So you guys can see. It'll focus. So it is bubbling a good amount. So we'll see. We're gonna wait a little bit longer. Chilling. Okay, I'm watching the tourist. So I'm gonna put it back on. And I'll mute it for you guys. Sorry.
Okay, what case number do you want to look under? Just run it. You really think it's Piers? Run it. Give me Italian and cold.
Okay, so I'm gonna mention something else. Well, the same thing. As I stated, I do feel it pushing on my nails. I do feel it like my nails are getting tighter, if that makes sense. So for this, I'm gonna show you this as an example. And this is what I heard about this product. As you guys can see, my nail is like bending into my skin. Oh my gosh. It doesn't hurt, but it's not supposed to do that. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, the edges of this nail are really, really pinching in, especially on this side. I can definitely feel it. That's so weird. Like, do you see how pinched it is? Like, this is my normal, and this is what's happening. That's bizarre. Okay, I don't think I like this too much. Okay, I'm gonna try and pull this again. Okay, it's coming off a lot easier. It's so weird that that's happening though. Like, it doesn't feel safe at all to me. Okay, I could have probably done this a little bit longer. So I'm gonna do my thumb because that one's the one that I haven't even messed with it at all. So this has been on for a little over 5 minutes. So it's not like super easy to scrape off. I do have to put a little bit of pressure to get it to scrape. But I do have a feeling that it's scraping off my overlay also, which is kind of what I wanted. So, I mean, it's not the easiest. Honestly, this isn't like a bad product if you don't want to waste acetone. But I think I prefer the acetone. I don't know. This is, oh my gosh. If I push on it, it kind of hurts. I'll be honest with you. If I do push on it, it doesn't hurt, but it's not comfortable either. That's weird. I'm gonna get this off. I don't like that. I mean, this is coming off a lot easier, but still. I don't think you want that type of feeling on your nail. It's kind of weird.